Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make some very yummy and juicy grilled burger recipe. So stay with me. The things we will need are black pepper powder, red chili powder, soy sauce, salt, white pepper powder, chili flakes and vinegar. We also need boneless chicken and the piece should be of breast. You can just see there's no bone. You need the boneless one. So it should be exactly like this. So now let's marinate the chicken. First of all, I'm adding salt. Then add red chili powder, black pepper powder, white pepper powder, chili flakes, adding vinegar. Lastly, soy sauce. Now mix everything very nicely so that all the spices get onto the chicken piece, and make sure it's well marinated, and then just leave it aside for 3 to 4 hours. Cover it. After 3 to 4 hours, now I'm going to cook the chicken. Also, I'm taking bun for my burgers. So first of all, I'm gonna heat them on the grill. Once they're heated, take them out in a plate. Time to grill your chicken now. Add a little bit of oil on top of it and then just cover the lid. 5 minutes are done, so this is how it looks like now. I'm gonna wait more 5 minutes so the chicken is nicely cooked. In total, it just takes 10 to 15 minutes, and yes, you're done. This is how your chicken should look like, your final look. And stick it out in a plate, and now we're going to make the burgers. So first of all, I took the bun and adding some mayo, and then I'm adding some garlic sauce. Now I'm putting up some lettuce, and then just put on your grilled chicken piece on top of it and add some jalapenos. You can skip this step if you are not a really big fan of jalapenos, but I like it, so I'm adding them. Now adding a cheese slice on my chicken, and then adding some mayonnaise and ketchup. You can skip this step as well if you don't like too much of ketchup and mayonnaise. And then that's it, the burger is ready. This is how it should look like. So do try this recipe at home, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.